Struggling to keep your schedule organized? Stay tuned for some game-changing Google Calendar tips that will help you perfect your schedule. I'm Josh from SkillSprints, and today we're diving into Google Calendar to show you how to keep your schedule on track. Whether you're managing work, personal life, or both, these tips will help you stay organized and productive. Let's start with the basics. Google Calendar is a powerful tool for managing your time. You can create events, set reminders, and share your calendar with others. It's available on both desktop and mobile, so you can access your schedule from anywhere. First, let's create an event. Click on the Create button, add a title, set the date and time, and you're good to go. You can also add details like location, description, and set notifications to remind you ahead of time. One of the most important features of Google Calendar is the ability to add guests to your events. Simply enter their email addresses and they'll receive an invitation. You can also set permissions, allowing guests to see, modify, or invite others to the event. Now, let's talk about recurring events. If you have regular meetings or activities, you can set them to repeat automatically. When creating or editing an event, click on the Does Not Repeat drop-down and choose the frequency: daily, weekly, monthly, or custom. This feature ensures you never miss a recurring appointment. To keep your calendar visually organized, use color coding. You can assign different colors to different types of events, such as work, personal, and family. This way, you can quickly see what's coming up at a glance. Next, let's utilize the Tasks feature to stay on top of your to-do list. Click on the Create button and choose Task. Tasks allow you to set deadlines and check off completed items, helping you keep track of your to-do list without cluttering your calendar with events. Google Calendar also has a handy Find a Time feature that helps you schedule meetings at a time that works for everyone. Simply create an event, add your guests, and click on Find a Time. This tool shows everyone's availability and suggests the best time to meet. Sharing your calendar can improve collaboration and communication with your team or family. To share your calendar, go to Settings and Sharing, and enter the email addresses of the people you want to share with. You can control their access level, allowing them to view, edit, or even manage sharing settings. You can also integrate other calendars like public holidays, sports schedules, or work calendars into your Google Calendar. This way, all your important dates are in one place. So there you have it, some essential tips to perfect your schedule with Google Calendar. By using these features, you can stay organized, save time, and ensure you never miss an important event. I'm Josh from SkillSprints. Thanks for joining me today. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks to boost your productivity. Until next time, keep your schedule smart and efficient.